Welcome back to our channel, where we transform your kitchen into a culinary masterpiece. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential kitchen accessories, dish drying racks. Whether you're a home cook, a busy professional, or just someone who loves a tidy kitchen, a good dish drying rack can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be showcasing our top 5 kitchen dish drying racks that combine style, functionality, and convenience. From space-saving designs to multi-tiered solutions, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned as we explore the features, benefits, and unique selling points of each rack, helping you choose the perfect one to fit your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen tips and reviews. Let's get started.
Upgrade your kitchen with the Tulf Extendable Dish Rack. Designed for maximum versatility and convenience, this dual-part dish drainer features an extendable design, accommodating various kitchen sizes and dish loads. The non-scratch coating ensures your dishes stay protected, while the movable cutlery drainer adds flexibility for organizing utensils. With a smart drainage spout, water efficiently drains away, keeping your countertop dry and clean. Built from premium materials, this dish rack is both durable and easy to clean, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Keep your dishwashing area tidy and hassle-free.
Introducing the Taily Dish Drying Rack, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless cleanup. This stylish and practical rack features a robust design that fits perfectly on your countertop, making dish drying a breeze. With its integrated drain board, excess water is efficiently channeled away, keeping your countertop dry and free from mess. The ample space accommodates plates, bowls, glasses, and utensils, while the rust-resistant finish ensures long-lasting performance. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, enhancing both function and style. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the Taily Dish Drying Rack, where convenience meets sophistication.
Their KitchenAid, large capacity, full-size dish rack is designed to handle all your dish drying needs with ease, made from rust-resistant materials. This durable dish rack ensures long-lasting performance, even with daily use. Its spacious design accommodates plates, bowls, pots, and pans, while the angled drain board efficiently channels water away to keep your countertop dry. The removable flatware caddy makes sorting and drying utensils a breeze, and the rack's sleek, modern look adds style to any kitchen. Perfect for families and busy kitchens, this dish rack delivers both functionality and durability.
Introducing the Dish Drying Rack, extendable dish rack for kitchen counter. Your ultimate kitchen companion. This innovative rack is designed to adapt to your needs, featuring an extendable design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. With its robust construction, it effortlessly holds plates, glasses, and utensils, keeping everything organized and within reach. The smart drainage system prevents water buildup on your countertops, ensuring a cleaner, drier kitchen. Its sleek, modern look complements any decor, while its easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance a breeze. Elevate your kitchen's functionality and style with this versatile, space-saving solution.
The Tulf Dish Rack brings elegance and efficiency to your kitchen counter with its premium 304 stainless steel BTOST construction, offering exceptional durability and resistance to rust. Its spacious design accommodates plates, bowls, and utensils, while the included drainage tray prevents water buildup, keeping your countertops dry and spotless. This multifunctional dish drying rack also features a separate cutlery holder and cup hooks, making organization a breeze. With its modern, sleek look and easy-to-clean design, the Tulf Dish Rack is a must-have for any kitchen, providing both style and practicality for daily use.